there friends, this is Amy here with Beloved Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to be sharing with you the July cloth and paper subscription box. So I honestly have no idea what is going to be in here. I haven't opened this yet at all. It just came. So go ahead and get comfortable and we'll take a peek at what's inside. All right, so let's get this party started. Let's take a peek. So all of the cloth and paper boxes come with a nice little what's inside sheet. So it tells you kind of what everything is in there, if it's new, and what everything's called, which is really nice if you want to order more of things. And you can be sure to do that. Here's a little pen test sheet. These are awesome if you want to test out what pens look like. You can do that on here. So I'm going to keep this handy so that as we go through things, I can tell you what things are. So let's take this out. They have such beautiful packaging. Love their boxes. Oh my word, this looks so good. All right, so first here we have a magnetic clip. So this is the new cloth and paper plus Ollie. It's the Manhattan color Ollie clip. So you can use it as a pen loop, a bookmark, a card clip, many things. I'm going to take this out of the package so that you can see what exactly it is because I am not honestly sure. Oh, interesting. Oh, I see. Okay. That is really cool. So this is an Ollie clip and it is very magnetic. It's very strong. Oh, that's really neat. And I love how it's like laminated too. So I can totally see me using this like in a book or anything that I just need to like clip off. So that is the Ollie clip. That is beautiful. All right. Next up, we have our little month cards. Ooh, this is like a cute little faux credit card type thing. Not sure if you can see that very good. That's so cute. So we have August and they gave us September as well. And then this says everything I know, everything I don't know. So basically we don't know a whole lot. So I'm going to show you guys too, once I've done going through this, how we've been storing all of these little things. I needed to come up with a system to keep them organized. I'll show you guys that too. Yeah, so those are the little, what they call journaling cards. Okay, next up is the ink smear dashboard. This might be blue. So it says you can layer it with other things. And I got everything in the classic happy planner size. What's nice is you can choose what size you want when you sign up for your subscription box. I don't know if this blue peels off. What the heck is going on? Maybe not. Maybe it's just supposed to be like that. It's kind of cool though. It's kind of fun. I love me some blue. Oh yeah, that's on there. That ain't coming off. That's cool. That's where the ink is on the other side. All right, so there is our ink smear dashboard. Then we have another September 2020 dashboard. That is really beautiful with a Serena Williams quote. We also have an August 2020 dashboard. I like that they sent both of those so that we can actually do them for the next 2 months. Okay, we also have a conversions dashboard. So what's nice is they have been sending a lot of these different like reference type dashboards. There was like a laundry one month. This is a nice little like liquid temperature, distance, and weight conversion dashboard so that you can easily reference that. I'll probably put this in like my home planner. All right, and then we have, let's see what this is. Looks like just another dashboard with like the number 5 on it. So that's kind of fun. Okay, so then next in the planner pages, we have, oh, these are the new vertical weekly style inserts. So these are good through the month of September. So they're for August and September. And this is the 2021 style. So this is kind of nice because if you want to try out some of their layouts to see if they're going to work for you, you can certainly do that. This is perfect because I actually was going to order one of their different layouts for my planner at my office. So this will be kind of a fun way to try those out. So here we have what I would call like a dashboard type. And then we also have, this is another one. It looks like goals, important dates, bills due September. So this is the September 2021 style, and this was the August 2021 style. So that's kind of fun. I'm super excited to try those out. Okay, we also have password trackers. This is very cool. Love that. So this is a new one, it looks like. Yeah, the newest minimal design. So you can always keep your passwords on here. I'd probably put that in my home planner is my guess on that one. All right, next up we have, dot grid sticky notes in the mink color. I'm gonna take these guys out. so much fun stuff this month. I'm loving it. It's always full of surprises and their newest stuff. Oh yeah, love these little grid sticky notes. Those are fantastic. All right, then we have mink stickers. So these are transparent dots in like a soft mink color. So they're gonna be a little bit see-through, which is kind of fun. So that is in there. Ooh, and last but not least, we have an Architect grid pad. So this says you can use it as a functional grid plan to plan out all your big ideas. Perfect for testing out bullet journaling designs and sketching layouts. It's 50 sheets and they are sized 7 by 10 inches and they are on like a tear off. So that's really cool. Like if you were going to map out like maybe some furniture or just, you know, anything where you need grids, or if you just want to, you know, mark out projects, to-do lists, whatever, this is very slick. So what a fun product. So that is what we have in here this month, and how fun is all of that stuff. So if you guys have not yet checked out the Cloth and Paper subscription box, you should head on over to their website and sign up, give it a try. Let me know what you guys think of it. It's always full of goodies and things that I would never expect. So I love being able to try out all their products, and then if I like it, I can go and order more. So one last thing I wanted to do is show you guys how I store my Cloth and Paper stuff that has come in these subscription boxes. It just was getting a little bit out of control and I was not sure where I'd put things when I wanted them. So I decided to use my discs, of course, because I do everything with discs. And I took 4 gold ones and I took my punch that I have. I have the Arc Punch. I have that linked down in my favorite planner products list. And I actually ended up punching a lot of the past things. So a lot of times there's a little quote cards, there are these journaling cards, so I will punch those, and then when I use them I'll put them in my planner. When I'm done I will put them back on here. They're just kind of fun to keep. So this, I had some sticky notes on here, but I actually put them into my dashboard, so they're not on here right now, but here you can see. And then whenever I get new stickers, I punch them as well and put them on here. It's nice. They're always the same size, so they fit on here very nicely. And I think what I'm going to end up doing is bringing this to my office so that when I am actually using my new layouts that I'm going to try out there, I can use these stickers in there too, because they all just go together so well for really nice, clean vibe. So I have all my stickers in there and then some more sticky notes. So I'm going to go ahead and punch these, show you guys how I do that, and then I will add them to my collection. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all soon. Bye.